Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, we are going to solve this Olympiad question, which is 16, 16 raised to power x plus 4 raised to power x is equal to 272. We know 16 can be written as square of 4. So 16 raised to power x can be written as 4 raised to power 2x, right? So if we write the statement, suppose this is equation number 1, I can write it as 4 raised to power 2x plus 4 raised to power x equals 272. Now if I modify this just a little bit, can I write it as this? Yes, of course we can write it as this. This is what? Can you tell me what is this? This is a quadratic equation, right? Quadratic equation of the form x raised to power 2 plus x minus something equals 0. So if I say that I can consider 4 as u, or 4 raised to power x as u, then this equation will turn out to be u square plus u minus 272 equals 0, right? This equation is now turned into this by substituting this value. Now if I further simplify this, suppose now this is a quadratic equation, which means this will have two values, two roots of u. Let these values or these roots will be a and b. So this method of solving the quadratic equation is, let's suppose the value of a plus b is the value of coefficient of u, which is 1, and the product of these roots will be this constant multiplied by the coefficient of u square, which will be minus 272. Now any two values by which which satisfy these equations, both this one and this one. Product of 272 is 16 and 17. Suppose I take 17 as plus and 16 as minus. So if I take product, this will be 272 minus, and if I add these numbers, this will be plus 1. So my condition is satisfied. I can write it as u square plus 17u minus 16u minus 272 equals 0. Now if I take common between these, common will be u, and in this common will be minus 16. So I can write it as u common, u plus 17, and in this I can take common minus 16. This will be u plus 17 equals 0. When this term and this term are same, then you can know that we are going on the right way of solving the question. Now if I take u plus 17 and u plus 17 common from both these terms, what I get will be u, and here what I get will be minus 16 equals 0. So now the value of this will be either u plus 17 is 0 or u minus 16 is 0, or either both will be 0. Both are 0. So what will happen will be, now if I think about this, u is equal to 16. This is simply one answer that we get, and by this we can get u is minus 17. I get two values. Now u, what was u? What we took u as 4 raised to power x. So now writing back, 4 raised to power x is 16. Now we can write 16 as square of 4. 4 raised to power x is equal to 4 square. Now we know if a raised to b is equal to a raised to power c, then b is equal to c. Similarly here x will be equal to 2. which will be the value of x. And in this question, as the value of x is u is negative, so we can't find the value of 4 raised to power x. We can't find that, so this will be rejected, and our final value will be x is equal to 2. This will be our simple solution. If you like the video or if you like the solution, subscribe to my YouTube channel. If you subscribe, like and share the video with your friends, and see you in the next video.